Today I'm organizing all of my paintings into categories. My flat panel, 16 by 20 art panel paintings into different categories. Here I have half a pile of pop art pieces, but look at how much I have to organize. You never realize how much you paint when you paint on panel because you could store it like this, which is fantastic. So you can paint to your heart's content. And this is in half of it. I have smaller art panel paintings that are painted on. I can't even imagine how much more I would have if I haven't sold a bunch, which I have. But anyway, not to toot my own horn, let's get busy. We have to get all of this organized. Just have to put them in the right categories. Makes it so much easier to find when you have an order. This one I love. Not to toot my own horn again, but I love my style of art. Outsider art, I would describe my style. You could just paint from your soul, from your happy place. To be careful when you put these together, you got to make sure they don't bend. So they're neat or stacked once they're upright, and then you just keep them upright. And they stack really nicely into a shelf nook. That's where I keep them in the art room, the little art room studio. But it's nice to have them all categorized for a change. These will be all together in the pop art category. Then I have to do the Florida art category where I did Florida inspired paintings, natural paintings, seascapes, flowerscapes, that kind of thing, but with my own twist on it because anybody who's an artist can paint stuff like that. I like to do it from my own perspective. That's why my paintings have definitely, I would categorize as outsider art because I don't follow a particular style. It just paints the way I want to paint. Oh, this one doesn't belong here. See? See why you have to be organized? This goes into the Florida art section. This is still the pop art section. this goes into a super. I'm going to do a space supernatural kind of section for my paintings as well. I painted a lot of sci-fi stuff, so that doesn't go there. That goes over here. Yep, we're out of the pop art section now. This is the sci-fi stuff. And this space stuff, that'll be together. That's pop art, that goes back here. These I love, these cartoons. Classic stuff. This is kind of a category all its own. So this could go over here. It goes over there. Oh, this is so cute. Childhood. That's good for any ages, I think. Everybody loves that from their own memories of childhood. These are my not Florida, what are these? Oh yeah, these are my cats. I have cat people paintings. I got my cats and my cat people paintings together. This is the Florida art stuff. Here's another cat people painting. Cats. What one is this called? Cat Smitten. I love it. It's so funny. He's smitten with her. That goes in the cat section. And this is the Florida stuff. This is my racy mermaids painting. This is a Florida beach with the jacaranda tree, known to Florida, and a lot of types of Florida art. Keep those together. This is my mermaid painting, Botticelli inspired, on the clamshell, but my own spin on it. This happened during the eclipse, so I call this one Eclipse Beach. That's in the Florida art section. This could go in this art section too, because this is something you see every day here. Hummingbirds and beautiful flowers in Florida. And that goes there. This is a little painting I did of New Smyrna Beach area with all the stuff that goes on in New Smyrna Beach. From time to time, I just combined it all in one painting. So let's see. Now I have another cat painting over here. This could be, no, actually this is a mermaid painting. That could go in the Florida cat category. I mean, the Florida art category. Getting mixed up here. This is over here. Then we got some more cats right here. And those go into the cat categories. Some cool cat people. This one I love. This is one of my favorite ones right here. She has her little mouse toy. She has a pet cat and she has a treat, a little fish. She's a cat lady. She's just getting ready for bed, but she's hanging out and having a snack. So those go together. And then we have the miscellaneous stuff, and those will go separate. Some more futuristic painting over here with the space theme. They're all together already. Could combine the zombie town apocalypse with that. Broad range of topics I paint. Yes, I do. And what's up here? What do we got up here? Let's see. Historical figure paintings. That could go in the space art category. Miscellaneous Western. I got a couple of Western paintings. That could go in the apocalyptic kind of space art stuff. That's spiritual. That could maybe go into that because that's supernatural. These are angels right here. Angel wings next to that. Oh, another Florida mermaid painting that goes into that pile. King Arthur here, and some other supernatural space kind of things that could go into that category. And the rest is miscellaneous. So that's me organizing my stuff today, and I'm glad you were here to watch it with me.